Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I haven't vlogged in a little while. Today there's not much going on, but I kind of still wanted to share what I was doing today. So today is Wednesday and I just finished getting dressed. I'm testing out my new iPhone camera. I like that you can film, like I'm literally filming like vertical, but it's capturing a horizontal image, if that makes any sense. If you have the new iPhone, then you know what I'm talking about. So I'm testing that out because that's so cool. But yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. So let's go. Also, make sure that you're following me on TikTok because I'm gonna do a day in the life there as well, but it's gonna be much condensed. Romper is Aritzia. It's like the Divinity one. This bag is from Gucci. I'm just wearing some ruffle socks from H&M, and then I'm wearing my Boston clogs, probably TJ Maxx, I want to say. I got my engagement stack, wedding stack. This ring is Cartier, and then this one is from a local jeweler, and then I just have like these bracelets that I wear pretty much every single day. Okay, I think I really like this phone specifically for this feature because this is what I'm talking about. I don't have to hold my phone horizontal in order to film in horizontal frame. Right now I'm on my way to Kava. I placed a mobile order, so I'm gonna go pick it up, and then right next to Kava is the coffee shop that I wanna go to. So I'm just gonna pick up my lunch, get some coffee, and then I think I'm just gonna come home and eat my lunch. I got such good parking right now that I almost wanna just like eat my food here. There was really like no tables in Kava. They were all kind of busy. So I'm just gonna go home. I was gonna go home and eat my lunch, but then I remember that I wanted to go to Target. So I'm just at this park enjoying nature. And I got my Kava bowl, got my creme brulee latte, and I'm just gonna sit here and eat my lunch because yeah, it's a nice day. That was such a nice little moment out in nature. I finished my lunch and now I still have like half the bowl left over. I did not eat it all. And now I am gonna go to Target before I go home because that's why I stopped, so that I didn't have to go all the way home and then go all the way to Target. So we're just gonna go to Target right now. I popped into TJ Maxx because there's a specific necklace that I'm looking for. And I want to see if they have it. But tell me why the line is like so long. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing it. I had no luck at TJ Maxx, so now I'm walking over to Target. Okay, so the main reason I came was for my pimple patches. And I'm gonna get these that have the invisible ones and the manual ones. Cause yeah. This is the best brush for slick back hairstyles, and it's only $3.50 at Target. Back in the car, let me do a little Target haul. So first I just got some water because I was parched. And then I just got some of these cotton rounds because I didn't have any. This is really what I went in there for, were these Mighty Patch. I have this like pimple right here. This Mighty Patch is like coming off. It's not even sticking. But I wanted the ones that had like the regular overnight ones and then the invisible ones. I low-key kind of want to go to Marshall's. It's across the street because I really want that necklace. Even though I'm allergic to necklaces, like I still want it. Well, I'm already out. Let's go. You guys, they have the necklace. I'm so excited. Okay, now we can go. It's much later and I've just been working on a group project that I have right now. I've actually been working on it for quite a few hours, but I feel like I've made pretty good progress. I'm trying to build an app, and wow, building an app is so much harder than it seems. But don't worry, I got the login screen and I got the home screen. That's it that I have for now, but hopefully I can keep working on this and finish it. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I'm going to be working on for the rest of the night. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. I know it wasn't anything too exciting, but I figured I'd share kind of what I do on like random days. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff, and I'll see you next time.